Hello traders, it's Yanis here from Nikos Trading Academy and welcome to another video for our live trading room results. Today I will start with USD Cad. We had a trend continuation and you can see after a very powerful trend line you could have gone short. A little bit more aggressive if you were waiting this kind of retracement, or for a more conservative approach if you saw your trend line breaking and then you went on lower settings. Definitely you got in somewhere here with 30-40 pips, going all the way down for a win-win scenario till 110. It's like 3.5%, let's say, our APO. Of course, on higher settings is your target, and you still have some more room to go short if price wants to go and retest our resistance area after this big retracement. You see the retracement, and our 2 to 3 line break happened at the beginning of the week. Now if we check Euro Aussie, we will see that we had an entry to go long. We had double bottoms, trend line break, crossover, and 1 to 3. Of course it was not on the desired area, but if you were focusing or targeting for a retest on the resistance, you see like a false breakout, a lower high, you could have gone long with an entry. I think that would be like again 30-40 pips. Win-win scenario definitely. And then on the live room, if you remember, okay, for those who attend the live room, that I said wait for a conservative bounce setup. This is exactly what happened. And with a pending order, like explained on the live room, you could go like again 30-40 pips of an APO. Definitely win-win scenario already. Again, like 3 times our APO, twice here, like 5 times our APO. And of course we keep our last position running, and with the 30 pips, was it 30 or 40 or 50, whatever, you are going for 300 pips. Of course, Friday, what we said, let's wait for another retracement, and this is exactly what happened. And another opportunity for a re-entry was already here on the 9th of October. So if you have re-entered, well done. This is your target. We have an entry on Gbp JPY. Let's check that. You see we already have our first target. That's an update. It's not in our trading results for this week. A nice breakout. We saw our opportunity. First target is already met. Maybe Monday we will get the other one and we will be able to trail our APO according to our strategies. We have another pair that we can check, that we have a trade in. It's CHF yen. On CHF yen, we had an entry here. We have our win-win scenario. We have identified our reaction to our major support area, and after a small range and this line here representing higher settings EMAs, it's broken. We had the retracement. Like I said, we have our first target, and this is our target, and that means, of course, with an M12 entry and an APO of like 45 pips, we're going for 190. We just need a little bit more of a patience. Of course, next best scenario would be another opportunity. The only thing is we have to use money management, and you are already know how to do that. Last one is Gbp Usd. Let me show you what was happening here. Again, you can see our big zone here, false breakout, our trend line break, our crossover, and our first setup. Continuously higher highs, higher lows. Another opportunity happened. When was that? Give me a second. Where is the beginning of the week? Okay. So you see here at the beginning of the week, what happened? We just waited for a retracement. Higher settings, lower settings, combined entry. And you can see my nice Picasso drawing here. We were waiting for this setup. Actually, that's the setup, but on Renko price, my lines don't end up well. This is exactly what we were waiting. Sequential setups, APO with here or even here with an APO again like 40, already 120. So again, 3 times was 3 40 100, yeah, 4 times our APO and still going. The whole point is we leave our last position running. That is what makes our account grow. That means 40 going for 400. So that means we are going 10 times. So next time we get stopped out, because it happens, it's part of the game, we wouldn't mind, because we have raised up our buffer enough so we can afford getting stopped out sometimes. With these three, I would say, pairs, we had 13 times our APO. We're talking about 490, okay, almost 500 pips, and that was it. Thank you very much. As always, I'm waiting for you on our top-down approach on Monday morning. Have a beautiful weekend. Stay safe, protect yourselves, and charge your batteries. Cheers, everybody. Thank you very much.